Presenting HAIER Hardtop Commercial Deep Freezer. This 5-star energy rating machine offers lowest energy consumption in the industry. 5D uniform freezing provides 2 times cooling capabilities. Dual condenser gives better cooling and helps achieving the desired temperature in lesser time. Embossed PCM liner provides better longevity too and reduces internal damages. Trapezoid door design, 3-layered, gives better cooling retention. 50mm heavy casters provide better ground clearance and help in easy mobility. Use the convertible feature as per your convenience. And store products conveniently with the 2 baskets. Continue to enjoy your experience with HAIER Hardtop Commercial Deep Freezers.